Hi, it's Mary. Welcome to another fun-filled, exciting Explore STEM activity. Today we're going to explore a topic in math, and it is called a Mobius strip or a Mobius band. I learned it as Mobius strip, but I often go back and forth between both terms, so Mobius strip, Mobius band, the same thing. So I was first introduced to this topic in my high school Algebra 2 class. We were all given an assignment where we had to research a topic and then present it to the class. I was given the topic of topology, and in my research I learned about Mobius strips, and I think they're pretty exciting, so I want to tell you about them. If you're going to work along with me, then there are just a few things that you need. You need paper. I used an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. We're going to cut it into strips. You need tape, you need scissors, and a pen. So if you are going to take a piece of paper and just make it into a band, so you cut the strip and you're going to make the strip into the band, all you need to do is just bring the two ends together and tape. As you're taping, you want to make sure that you tape all the way across the whole thing, or when we're cutting, something might fall apart. To make a Mobius band, you just put a twist in there. So you do one twist, and you bring the ends together. And again, you're just going to tape that. I made a few others, and I'm going to make just two more. So the blue ones that I have are all regular bands, and my yellow ones are all Mobius strips. And I'm having a little problem with the tape today apparently, but it'll all work. And that is not, oh, it did make it all the way around there. Perfect. And again, to make the Mobius band, you're just going to put a twist in there and bring it back around. And we're going to tape that one too. So yes, Mobius strip has twist in it. Cool, but what else? What's the big deal? Why am I doing a whole presentation on this? Well, what if I told you that a Mobius strip is a one-sided object? So I think we all agree that this paper strip, just a regular one, is two-sided. A Mobius strip is one-sided. And we're going to test out my theory. And to do that, I'm going to move the camera so you can see the work surface. So give me just a minute here. Okay, so hopefully you can see my work surface there. I'm going to move you a little bit. Oh, maybe I'm not. Okay. So, if I wanted to show you that this is a two-sided object, if I go to draw a line around the whole thing, I'm going to have to lift the pen to get it on both sides. So, let's check out that theory then. So I'm making a line. There, I have to lift my pen and go to this side. Ooh, there we go. And there we are. So if I'm right about the Mobius strip being one-sided, then I'm not going to have to lift my pen. So let's see if that works. So sometimes you have to kind of help it along, because when you get to that taped part, it kind of sticks. So if I'm right, we're going to come back around, and there's a pen mark. So I have made a mark all the way around the whole thing without lifting my pen even once. So there we go. A Mobius strip is a one-sided object. So what else does that mean? Well, let's take a look. I think we can agree that if I cut this down the middle, the regular band, we're going to end up with two bands that are similar widths. And we do. What happens if we cut a Mobius strip down the middle? Let's find out. So, you want to be really careful that you're toward the middle in this, because if you're not, the whole thing might end up different than we want it to be. Oh, maybe we're going to get to, oh no, we get one bigger band with two twists in it. What happens if we cut this band, the paper band, into two uneven pieces? So obviously, I think we've all experienced this. We're going to get two. One's going to be bigger, the other's going to be smaller. Let's try the same thing with the Mobius band and see what happens there. So here we go. What do you think is going to happen this time? Are we going to get one big long interlocking one? Or are we going to get something different? Huh, this is going on a long time. Let's see. We get two bands that are interlocking. One is bigger and one is smaller. So I think it's pretty cool. If you enjoyed this, you should really look into more information on the Mobius strip. You can also look up topology. Maybe you want to go into math study when you get older. So what are the practical applications of a Mobius band? Well, lots of times they will make conveyor belts as a Mobius band, because then it will wear evenly, because it uses both sides, or one side as we know. So it's one side, it's longer, it uses the whole surface, and it doesn't take as long to wear out. If you're old school and you remember 8-track tapes, those were Mobius bands. And they were kind of cool, unless you got to the part of the song where it flipped over and you think there's a long pause in the middle of songs that aren't really there. Whatever. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll be back again. Like I said last time, if you want to see me cover a topic of particular interest to you, just let me know. I'd be happy to research whatever you want. Thanks so much for coming and spending some time with me. Have a great day.